Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we are learning determinants 4 marks third question dear students. Now let us see what they have asked in the third question. If matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 1, minus 4 and B is equal to 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3, then verify that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Very simple question dear students. Already different two sums we have done. This is the third sum dear students. In 3, 1 will come in the final exam dear students. So now observe here very carefully. So how to find this one? What they had asked, verify that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. First we have to find here what? AB. AB, let us find A into B. A is what? That is 2, 3, 1, minus 4 into B is that. B is what? 1, minus 2, minus 1, 3 dear students. A into B we have to solve now. So now you cross multiply. You know this one. How to multiply this one? Row into column. So row into column you can multiply A into B. First row, first column you multiply. First row, first column. 2 1 ja 2. Second element to second element you have to multiply. See here, first row, first column you are multiplying. First element to first you have multiplied. 2 1 ja 2. Now 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Second element to second element. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So now first row, first column is over. Now next is what? First row, second column. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Second element to second. 3 3s are 9. This is how we can multiply. You know matrices how to multiply. So first row, third column is not there. I had ended here. So now second row, first column. 1 into 1, that is 1. Minus into minus. Second element to second. See here. First element to dintra, first element we have multiplied. Second to second, minus into minus, plus 4 anja 4. So now second row, second column. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus into plus is minus 4 3s are 12. So how much you will get? You see dear students, this one. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. And now see, 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus 2 minus 12, that will give minus 14 dear students. So I hope everyone understood what is AB. So now let us find what AB inverse. LHS I am saying dear students. AB inverse how we can find, you see. So if you are finding AB inverse, inverse exists when if determinant value is not equal to 0. So let us find what? First AB. Determinant of AB let us find first. So determinant of AB, see here, minus 1, 5, 5, minus 14. See determinant how I am writing. These are parallel lines. Idukke matrix antare, idukke determinant antare. Parallel line avage represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So now see here, how to multiply? Minus into minus plus 1 into 14, 14 dear students. Minus into minus plus 1 14s are 14. Clear? Next, if you are multiplying this and this, minus you have to write first. 5 5s are 25. How much you got? 14 minus 25 is minus 11, which is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means therefore you can say therefore AB inverse exists dear students. AB inverse what? Exists. Understood? So then how to find now AB inverse? Therefore everyone know that where AB inverse is what? How we will find this formula? 1 upon determinant AB into adjoint of AB. See here how I have written the formula. 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A, you will write or not? A inverse. A inverse you will find like that. A inverse is equal to what? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Same only here in place of A, AB is there dear students. A ಬದಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ AB ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು AB ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 1 upon determinant AB into adjoint of AB, dear students. So now let us find AB inverse. So how you can see AB inverse is equal to 1 upon C inverse minus 1. And many of you will write only dash or 1, you can say, and you will lose the marks, dear students. It's my humble request, please write properly while writing. See how I am writing. AB whole raised to minus 1 it is. Whole raised to minus 1. Then only you can say how we will read that AB inverse. Understood? Tappagi baribedi. Marks anna kalkubedi. Maths Lageraho is there for you to get the marks and the knowledge of this subject. So now 1 upon determinant of AB. Determinant of AB is how much? Minus 11. Minus 11 I wrote. Now adjoint of AB how to find? See, adjoint of AB. AB is there. Adjoint of AB how to find? You see. Shortcut I will say. AB, just you interchange this elements, dear students. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ -14 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, -14 ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You have to interchange this. So now we will interchange that -14 -1. So now these two remaining here, 5 and 5. Then you have to just use change their sign. Plus idre minus idre plus. So both are plus means we can write it as what? Minus here. -5. Don't interchange them. Just change the sign, dear students. Understood? So this minus sign you multiply inside. What will get? You see, if I multiply inside, what will get? See here. I'll erase this. Sorry, it's just mistake happened. So now see here. So 1 upon 11. See what I am doing. 1 upon 11 I written. Minus sign I am multiplying inside. Minus sign na wala multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus into minus plus 14. Minus into minus plus 5. And minus into minus plus 5. Minus into minus plus 1. I will call this as equation number 1. Understood? Equation 1, I am saying this. AB inverse I got this. Verify that it is. AB inverse you are getting means this. B inverse into A inverse 100% you will get this only. I mean this is a 4-mark question, dear students. Keep in mind, in board exam they may ask this or other two sums I had solved. No, they may ask that also. Fine. So now B inverse how to find? See here. First we will find B inverse only. Then B inverse I have to find now. So B inverse I have to find means determinant of B must be what? Not equal to 0 or none. So let us find determinant B. Determinant B is what? See here, 1 minus 2. B is what? 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3. So multiply this. 1 into 3. 3 minus sign you write. So next, minus into minus plus. 1 2s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore what? B inverse exists. So B inverse how we will find? 1 upon determinant B into adjoint of B, dear students. I hope you understood everyone how I am writing. So now see, what is determinant B? Determinant B is 1 and adjoint of B how to find? Just now I told you shortcut here. Yes or no? Adjoint of BC. You interchange this 1 and 3. B is this only, no? So you interchange this 1 and 3. So what will get? 3 1. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ. ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದರ್ ಸೈನ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಈಗ ಎರಡನೇದು ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. -2 will become 1. +2 -1 will become +1. So how much you will get? 1 by 1 is 1. 1 into anything is same. So that means 3 2 1 1 it will get, dear students. This I hope B inverse everyone understood. Fine. If you are understanding, please send us something, message or comment me. Sir, I am understanding. At least send a heart for me. So yes sir, we have understood. Fine. So then only I can understand whether you are understanding or not. So now see. Next I have to find what? A inverse. So A inverse how to find? First determinant A you find. Again same. Determinant A is what? A is 2 3. 1 minus 4. See here, multiply now. 2 into minus 4, minus 8, minus you write 1 into 3 is 3. So minus 8 and minus 3 is what? Minus 11. Again this is not equal to 0. Therefore what? A inverse exists. A inverse exists. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. 1 by determinant A is how much? Minus 11. Adjoint of A is how much, you see? Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is how to find? Again interchange. 2 and minus 4 interchange. Minus 4, 2 we will get here. And change the sign. That is minus 3 and here minus 1, dear students. Clear? Done. Now I have to find what? A inverse we got. So B inverse into A inverse I have to multiply. B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse. B inverse is what? What is B inverse? This is there. I will write 3, 2, 1, 1. A inverse is what? 1 by minus 11. This 1 by minus 11 I can write front. Is it okay? If I write front, 1 by minus 11 I have taken front. So into what this is there? Minus 4. I will erase this. This is minus 4. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2. We got this. So now you know how to multiply. Matrices, row into column. 1 by minus 11. See what will happen here. What this will give? 3 into. 3 into, I will erase this side. See here. First element, first row, first column now. 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Clear up? Next see. First row, second column. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Second element to second. 2 2s are 4. We got this. Correct? First row, third column is not there. We can end it. So next, second row, first column. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. So second row, second column now. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 into 2, 2, dear students. So now see what we will get here. 1 by minus 11 now. This is how much you are getting. Minus 12 minus 2, minus 14 now. Minus 9 4, that is minus 5. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Minus 3, 2. That is minus 1. So this minus sign again you multiply inside. This minus sign you multiply inside. 1 by 11, that is 14. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 5. Minus into minus plus 5. Minus into minus plus 1. This is I will call as equation number 2. So dear students, you observe. Equation 2 you have got this answer. Equation 1 you see, same or not? Both are. So then we can say from 1 and 2 what? From 1 and 2, what it is? So I will write here, dear students, space is not there. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. I hope you can see this one. AB inverse, this only I have written here. Correct? From 1 and 2 it is what? We got both are equal, dear students. So I hope you have understood. Hence verified you can say, because they had told to what? Verify that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. This is our answer, dear students. If you have understood something from this video, स्वल्पनाद्रू अर्थागिद्रे थोड़ा तो समझ में आया तो, so please like my channel. Each like will inspire me, dear students. So please support me and help me. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ, dear students. Thank you. Please copy this one.